Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Angel. This is Disability. Today we are going to showcase the Asteroids version of the ARCADE1UP. The reason I'm showcasing this one is because I got it for dirt cheap. I bought one for $75 at my local Walmart, and then I found another one a little further out for $50. So I had to jump on those, and I grabbed two of them. This one I'll be modifying for a relative of mine. The next one I'm not too sure what I'm going to do yet with it, but it will be modified and changed up as well. This one comes with 4 games. It comes with Asteroids, Major Havoc, Lunar Lander, and Tempest. It's a what I'm thinking is a 1-player control board on there with a spinner. We're gonna change this one up. The reason, like I said, I bought this is I got it for dirt cheap. So with a little movie magic right now, we're gonna build this thing real quick. So let's get to building that. Boom! It's built. I had it built before I did the video, so I figured I'd just showcase the box a little and get started with that. But like I said, this is a ARCADE1UP 4-foot scale Asteroids version. It comes with Asteroids, Lunar, Major Havoc, Lunar Lander, and Tempest. For me, I think it's a 1-player controller. I've only played it a couple of times. I wasn't drawn into this Asteroid. My Asteroid is Atari, don't get me wrong, but I like the Atari 26 version. That was my first system, given to me as a gift by a relative of mine, and that's what got me into video games. But that was my version of Asteroid that I like. This one, I'm not too keen on it. I'm not knocking it. I know there are a lot of people out there. Please don't bash me on the video. I know there are a lot of people out there that like that Asteroid, but the graphics on this is not so much pixelated, but more line art, and it just doesn't grab my attention. And it's just something, I didn't buy the cabinet because of the games. I bought the cabinet for the hardware. These cabinets are going for $300 when you get a Mortal Kombat, or when you get a Street Fighter, or when you get a the other ARCADE1UPs. You're paying $300, and later on you're gonna modify it a little or change it up a little, and I just don't see the point of that. Now that these are dropping in prices, this one right now, like I said, came out to $75, and I have another one in the garage that came out to like $50 at Walmart. So if you can get those deals and you can jump on it and you're gonna modify it, grab one up. The most that you're gonna probably spend is like another $150 on parts alone. This one, I plan to change out the control board and make it a 1-player control board with a spinner as well as a trackball and the joystick and buttons setup. So I'm gonna do that with the help of DIY Retro Arcade. He sells his boards, plexiglasses, trackball. I'll leave a link at the bottom of the video in the description. Also from Arcade Graphix, we're going to change out the graphics. I'm going to make it a football theme. I was thinking of NFL Blitz. My cousin who's getting this cabinet is a New York Giants fan. For those New York Giant fans out there, I was thinking of designing something up for him on that and get that done for him and take it from there. But other than that, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to add a pie. I'm going to do a video of how I make my own image. I'm going to do a custom image for the ARCADE1UP. If you guys want to see that, I'll make a video on that. Also, what else I'm going to change out? The bezel, of course. We're going to change out the bezel. We're going to add a bezel from Arcade Graphix. We're going to do a full body kit on this from Arcade Graphix. I'm also going to add the LED lights, the pie, the amp. I've done all these in my videos. Please look at my channel, check out my videos. I'm probably going to duplicate most of that stuff on this actual cabinet and, make it a little more friendly for him and enjoyable. But like I said, I bought these at dirt cheap price just for the wood itself. The I'm paying for the wood, the monitor, and maybe the control board and parts. You know, at $75, you can't beat it. I say if you got a Walmart out there that's dropping these down to price because they need to get rid of inventory, grab it, snag it. If you plan to modify it, if you plan to change it up a little, if you plan to add something to it, do it. Grab one of these cabinets. Don't worry about the name of it and the look of it. You're gonna change it. But if you're gonna buy a $300 cabinet, like the Mortal Kombat or the Street Fighter that's still going for $300, depending on what Walmart you go to, and you're just gonna modify that and change that up, you know, if that's your choice, do that. If you're not gonna go crazy with the modding and keep a little nostalgia of it, I did a little bit on mine. On my Mortal Kombat, I changed the kick plate a little. I'm adding a bezel, and yes, I did pay the $300, but you know, that's Mortal Kombat. I didn't go crazy and change the whole entire look. On this one, I'm gonna change the whole entire look. So $75 was a good price for me. But other than that, you know, leave a like, leave a comment, tell me how you feel about it. Tell me what you recommend, what do you feel I should do to it. But look for the rest of the videos coming out. I'm gonna do my image video and take it from there. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon.